If you want to grow your Shopify store, you need SlickText. Between our built-in marketing tools, automated workflows, and mass texting campaigns, SlickText can help you connect with customers on their favorite channel. If you're just getting started, follow this 30-day roadmap to grow your Shopify store with SlickText. First, let's build your foundation with 5 critical steps. Step 1, connect your Shopify account using our native integration. It takes 2 minutes and unlocks powerful automation features you can't get anywhere else. Step 2, you might have already been collecting opt-ins through Shopify. If so, upload that list of customers to SlickText immediately. Step 3, if you're starting from scratch, don't worry. SlickText includes everything you need to grow your list. Start by adding an SMS opt-in checkbox to your checkout page. Step 4, set up a website pop-up with an irresistible incentive. Think 15% off or free shipping. This pop-up will become your lead generating machine. There are several other list growth tools in your account, but you can add those later. For now, just focus on your website pop-up and adding the opt-in checkbox to your checkout page. Step 5, send your first mass text. For this message, you'll want to send a shoppable promotion like a product drop or a flash sale. Include a call to action and a link to your Shopify store. If you need help crafting a compelling message, tap the sparkle icon on the campaign box and share what you want to say. AI Compose will instantly produce 3 options for you. That's it for the foundation. Getting started is short and sweet. You really only need an hour or 2 total to complete all 5 of these steps. Next, we're moving into the automation phase where you'll set up automated workflows. Automation is easier than it sounds. We've preloaded Shopify templates into your account, so all you have to do is fill in a few fields and switch the workflows on. Let's pick up with step 6, rescuing abandoned carts. Use the abandoned cart template to prompt customers to finish checking out with the items left in their cart. This type of message can recover up to 20% of lost sales, so you want this up and running ASAP. Step 7, start collecting product reviews automatically. To increase review collection, offer an incentive for posting on your preferred review site. Your online reputation can improve fast with this workflow. Step 8, setting up your welcome series. Most welcome series include 2 to 4 messages spread out over a few weeks. These messages set the tone for your relationship with new subscribers. You can share more about your company and products, provide shopping links to popular items, and ask subscribers to save your contact card so they never miss a message. Your main objective is to establish a strong relationship that will increase brand recognition and customer loyalty. Remember, we already built the templates for each of these workflows. All you have to do is fill in your messages, set the right timing, and flip the switch to on. Once your foundation is set and your first 3 automations are on, it's time to optimize. Step 9, dive into analytics. This is where you'll monitor performance for the workflows and campaigns you set up. Watching your revenue numbers go up is the best part of SMS marketing. And finally, step 10, keep improving your messaging with A/B tests. A/B tests allow you to split traffic between 2 or more groups to see which message achieves the best results. You can test multiple promotions, call to action language, and different graphics to see what resonates with your customers. That's it. Follow these 10 steps and you'll start growing your Shopify store fast. If you haven't signed up for SlickText yet, get a free trial now at SlickText.com.